Fitbit app also has a feature of changing your password. Wanna know how to? I'll tell you today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Scroll down, tap on Account Settings, above App Settings. Now tap on Change Password, above Delete Data. Enter your very current password and then your new password that you want to keep. And now confirm your very new password back again. When you're done, tap on Change below. Just by doing it, you can see that the password has been changed and you're all set to use your very new password. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. Now go back and stay fit always through this Fitbit app. I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.